Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to lock a layer in MicroSurvey's MSCAD. To do that, I'm just going to go up to my layer list here in the top left. I'm going to drop that down, and then you can see every layer has this little lock or unlock icon next to it. If I want to lock the layer, I just click on that when it's unlocked, and now you can see the layer dims out on screen and the icon changes to a lock, and that means I can't edit this layer. If I want to unlock it, I just go back into that list and I click on the locked icon and it changes to unlocked, and now that layer is editable. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or you know what you'd like to see next in the MSCAD series, leave it in the comments below. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stay up to date with all the helpful MSCAD content we have coming on the way, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.